So today we're going to make some bread. So the first thing we need is wholemeal bread flour, 225 grams. We then need 15 grams of margarine or butter, your preference. We then need a packet of fast-acting yeast, just one sachet, and add it to the mix. Then mix it together with your fingers to mix all of the margarine in. And then add in 150 ml of warm water. This will activate your yeast. Once it's all mixed together, a dough will form. We need to then take it out and knead it on a floured surface for around 5 minutes. Okay, so after you've been kneading for 5 minutes, you need to grease your baking pan with a bit of butter. Just spread it all in. Roll your bread to the desired shape that you want, or make bread rolls, baguettes, anything you want. I'm just going to make a simple loaf. I'm just going to pop it in my pan. I'm going to cover it with cling film and leave it to rise in a warm place for 20 minutes before putting it in the oven. Okay, so now our bread should have risen nicely, as you can see, and we're going to now pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so we're now going to get the bread out of the oven. And turn it out, and there's our loaf.